My name is Henk Huinink. I'm associate professor in the Eindhoven University, and I lead there a group on which is studying materials for heat storage. And the principle we try to use is that of salt hydrates. So if you have a salt and you bring it in contact with water, the water is absorbed. And if the water is absorbed, heat gets out of the salt. And you can use that. And you can also reverse that. So if you have a salt with water absorbed in it and you bring heat to that, you drive out the water. And so you have a mechanism to charge and discharge the material. Now this is the concept we also use in HEAT-INSYDE. And within HEAT-INSYDE, I'm leading the work package on materials development, doing that together with Henk Huinink and the company Caldic and TNO. And we are trying not only to understand these materials, but also to make them really manufacturable on an industrial scale. And I'm particularly proud that we are able to combine that. So in the beginning of the project, we made a major step in power output based on fundamental understanding. And now we can even produce these materials.